If you have refugee status, you can apply for a refugee travel document from the Home Office. This type of travel document serves as a substitute for a passport from your country of nationality. You can apply for a refugee travel document to travel outside the UK if you are not British. You cannot use or get a passport from your country of nationality. Your country of nationality cannot give you a passport. You are a refugee residing in the UK. You originally came to the UK on a family reunion visa to join someone who has refugee status. Travel documents are primarily used for international travel. They serve as an alternative to a national passport and are essential for crossing international borders if the country recognizes it. If you are issued with a refugee travel document, you cannot return to your home country or travel to any country excluded on your travel document. A certificate of travel is an international travel document issued by the Home Office. It is designed for individuals who are not British citizens but need to travel outside the UK and are unable to obtain a passport from their country of nationality. You can apply for a certificate of travel document if you are an asylum seeker who has been granted humanitarian protection. You originally came to the UK on a family reunion visa to join someone who has humanitarian protection. You were born in the UK as the child of someone with refugee status and you have permission to stay, but do not have refugee status yourself. You have an important reason to travel, and your country's national authorities are unable to issue you with a passport or emergency travel document quickly. Certificate of travel are primarily used for international travel. They serve as an alternative to a national passport and are essential for crossing international borders. Please note that some countries may not recognize or accept a certificate of travel as a valid travel document. A British passport is an official document issued by the UK government, which serves as a form of identification and allows you to travel internationally. This is only applicable to British citizens. To apply for a first British passport, you need to meet certain requirements and provide necessary documents such as you need to provide proof of your identity. This typically includes your birth certificate or adoption certificate. If you were not born in the UK, you will need to provide documentation to confirm your British nationality. This may include a certificate of nationality, certificate of registration as a British citizen, or a certificate of naturalisation. You will need to provide 2 identical passport-sized photos that meet the UK's photo requirements. You will need 1 referee to confirm your identity. Depending on your individual circumstances, you may be required to provide additional documents. For instance, if you have changed your name, you should provide evidence of the name change, such as a deed poll certificate or marriage certificate. Why choose Compass Immigration Law? Our highly trained immigration experts have a thorough understanding of the travel document and British passport requirements and application process. We can help you with your application by providing you with an honest opinion on the positives and negatives of your case, advice on the requirements specific to your circumstances, a customized evidence checklist, assistance with preparing and submitting your application form and evidence. For more information, get in touch using the details on screen.